Hello, what's up everybody, Camille here.
Oh my.
It's a mess.
Was that gaffer tape?
Yep.
That is one clean Lambo. Sounds good. So Josh, what we got in this Gallardo?
Customers just dropped it off. Had a quick listen to it. Sounds awful.
Yeah.
Not sure what's going on.
Okay. So, do we know what's in it currently?
Absolutely no idea.
So the customer already bought the car like this as it is?
Yeah, exactly that. Yeah.
Okay.
But it sounds terrible.
Yeah?
Sounds terrible.
Okay. Alright, well, it's now at the home of Lamborghini Car Audio.
Yep.
So, let's tear it apart,
Cool.
see what's in there.
Okay.
Oh my. Josh, come look at this. Oh. Wow. That is absolutely horrific. Was that gaffer tape?
Yep. Connectors.
No double-sided tape. That is horrific. The soundproofing just falling off.
Yep.
That's just not been stuck on properly. This needs some love, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right. I'm worried what else we're going to find on this.
Yeah, that's the worry.
I mean, this is really bad.
Yeah.
It's time to pull the radio out now and see what kind of a mess we're going to have behind here. Not holding high hopes after seeing the door card. Let's get this unplugged. It's a mess. I can't even tell what's going where. Cables wrapped around cables. Cables hashed in and chopped into other cables. You might have to sit for a little while and go through this lot and try and work out what they've done and just rip it all out and start from fresh.
So products arrived. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Whoa! Oof. Look at that. Full new Audison sound system. So in front of me, we have the kit that's going to be going into the Gallardo. We're getting rid of all of that rubbish that was installed into the car originally, literally taking everything out and starting completely fresh. And that is the only way to do it when an install is that bad. So we have the head unit to start with, and that's upgrading what was already there. So originally on that system, the radio wasn't upgraded, and that's probably because at the time that radio was all right. However, now it's well out of date. So what we need to do is add a load more functionality, and that is down to this unit, which is the Kenwood DMX 8021. This is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and that is going to go into the car and look really, really nice. We're going to have a little Lamborghini logo on the boot up screen as well, which will look pretty snazzy. So first of all, the tweeter, dealing with those higher frequencies. So we're using the Audison Voce set for the mid bass as well as the tweeter. This is really important because this is going to give the clarity that we need as well as the mid-bass performance in the car, keeping that OEM look, however, having a massive, massive difference in sound. However, like we have in the car already, there's no point having good equipment or even bad equipment, whatever equipment it is. There is literally no point in putting it into a car if it's installed like that. The install is the bit that really makes a difference, and you'll see exactly why later on, because we're going to show everything to you in today's video. But that's the tweeter, that's the mid bass. You're not going to see any of them because they are going to be hidden. Then we've got this product, which is adding a lot of control and power to the system. It's actually an 8-channel amplifier. Because there's only 4 speakers in the vehicle, 2 tweeters, 2 mid basses, we're going to be running it as a 4-channel, which is what's called bridging channels. So we use it as a 4-channel, which gives even more power to the system, creating more volume, creating more clarity, and meaning the speakers don't need to be driven as hard and everything can sound a lot smoother. The other thing that this has got into it is a processor, so right at the very end when the install is complete, I'll be sitting in the car, tuning it and making it sound absolutely incredible, exactly how our client wants it to sound and how a Gallardo should sound.
Hello, what's up everybody, Camille here. I just wanted to show you something special. Look, these are floor brackets holding the floor on a passenger side, and whoever installed the music there before, he put these timber pieces there. And I know, people like to recycle, various materials, but that isn't just not right. If you can imagine, this floor was like this there. Those brackets was holding this floor here. Okay. I already prepared the floor, carpeted, fit our amp there. But I need to fix these brackets because this wood is just not right. Doesn't look good, doesn't do a good job. I still need to do a few modifications, make it more cool and nice, but we're getting there.
We're on the last stage now. We've installed the speakers in the doors, we've installed the amplifier down the bottom, we've installed the radio here, and we've also installed a reversing camera into the rear spoiler. Now the last part for here is to put the trim on. Now the original stereo was a lot wider, as you can see there. And this is the original radio. So we need to make something up to take up this extra piece of space here. The original trim that comes with the new radio is, as you can see, just a little bit smaller than what it needs to be. So what Camille has done is he has taken one of them and he's extended the trim to fit nicely along this edge here. Now if we put this in, that will drop back in and sits in completely flush, matching the original radio there to make it perfect.
So the install is complete. What a journey it's been, and what an interesting one it's been, as you've seen already in today's video. The install just wasn't up to scratch. However, now it is now sounding absolutely incredible. But don't take my word for it. Sit back, relax, join me. I'm going to sit in the car now, and we're actually going to be listening to the system, seeing how the system sounds when an install is done properly and had the full Cambridge car audio treatment. So just to run through quickly the spec of the system that's in here, we've got an Audison Voce two-way front end. So before, the system had basically a two-way front end, a sub in the vehicle, as well as an amplifier driving it. Obviously you saw how bad the install was, absolutely horrific. However, now that's all been sorted. So we've literally taken everything back to scratch, fixed everything, and then restarted how it should have been done. This system now comprises of a two-way front end running fully active, so we've not got a crossover in the door. There's only 4 speakers in the system on this car right now, and we've got an 8-channel amplifier which is bridged across down to 4 channels, down to run a fully active system completely bridged off the new Forza range. This is really important because this actually gives a full DSP setup, and it means that we're able to tune it as well. So I've done the tuning on the car, sounds really, really nice now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I know it's so frustrating. Can't take yourself out the equation. Can't wait longer than your patience. Can't wait.
It's so smooth now, it just sounds nice.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that.
I hope that was coming well across well on when you're listening to it. But that difference in sound, obviously, and partly this is obviously, yes, it has better gear in it now, but the way the install is done is the bit that really, really does make a difference. We do it a lot of the time where people, when they're doing an install, just isn't up to scratch, where they first of all don't know what they're doing, or they are doing the best of their ability but don't have the facility in terms of a workshop, fully workshop environment designated to car audio. I mean, this vehicle, for example, has been worked on in a 5-meter bay across the entire, all of our bays are a 5-meter bay when we're doing a full sound system like on this. Space to put door cards, space to put the interior when the car is apart. It's really important because when an install, all these little bits come together, piece together, and create that full picture and that full sound stage that we listen to right now. So now our client can enjoy the lovely weather we're having right at the moment with the roof down, as well as it sounds absolutely incredible with the roof up as well. But yeah, over the moon with the finished results. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and you've seen how we've taken a Lamborghini Gallardo from literally one of the most worst sound systems we've ever seen done to the Cambridge Car Audio sound treatment. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.